Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dota on a laptop. First, you'll need to download and install the Steam client, which is a free gaming platform. Once Steam is set up, create a new account or log in if you already have one. Then, simply search for Dota 2 in the Steam store and click Install. The game is free to play, but it does require about 25 gigabytes of storage space. Make sure your laptop meets the minimum specifications for a smooth experience. Now, let's cover the fundamental controls. Your left mouse button is used for selecting units and confirming actions, while the right mouse button dictates your hero's movement and targets enemies. Your hero's unique abilities are typically mapped to the Q, W, E, and R keys. Don't forget to keep an eye on the minimap, usually located in the bottom right corner, as it offers vital information about enemy positions and ongoing battles across the map. Dota 2 offers several game modes, but the most common is All Pick, a 5 versus 5 battle. Your main goal is to destroy the enemy team's Ancient, a structure located in their base. Before diving into competitive play, consider practicing against bots to familiarize yourself with different heroes and game mechanics. Teamwork is paramount. Coordinate with your 4 teammates to secure objectives like towers and Roshan, which grant significant gold and experience. To help you get started, here are some valuable tips. Begin by playing heroes that are easier to learn, such as Dragon Knight or Wraith King, before trying more complex ones. Watching professional Dota 2 matches can also provide insights into advanced strategies and hero matchups. Always prioritize last-hitting enemy creeps to maximize your gold and experience gain. Finally, clear and concise communication with your 4 teammates through in-game chat is essential for victory.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.